Oh my God. This is big. I've got the light mod on the freaking tripod stand. Got a fresh cooler full of bait. Got some nice creek chubs. A few random other things. I think I got a perch. A couple of little panfish. And today's mission is to catch a flathead. I know I got here a little late. It's already getting dark. We're going below the dam here and I got to get some baits in the water and get stuff set up. So let's get to it. Let's see. Gotta roll up the sleeve because I forgot my net. I was in a hurry. Oh yeah, right there. Whoa. Got a freestyle creek chub here. Guy's going crazy. Nice feisty one. Stay. Hey, hey. Nice. My God. Nice lively creek chub. That's gonna make a really good bait. Leave that tight, flip it off, turn the clicker on. There's one. I think this guy right here is going to get the biggest bait I have. This is a monster creek chub. Holy smokes. That's a big creek chub. Holy crap. Hopefully that one catches a 40-pounder. That's a big fish. And that is also a very feisty creek chub. Perfect. For rod 3, just gonna pick this small little creek chub. He's gonna get the knife if I can find it, and it's already pretty much dark. So I'm gonna have to really keep an eye on this rod, considering I have sturgeon. And we're all set. The most important part of flathead fishing. Good stuff. Oh my God. This is big. This is what I've been waiting for. Oh! He's hooked. He's not fighting super hard. That guy just freaking, holy crap. Now he's fighting. He's running at me. And that right there is how you do it. Except, I think we've got the wrong kind. Oh my goodness. That is a big channel. That is a very big channel cat. That right there is a really nice channel cat. Not the flathead I'm looking for, but it's keeping the night interesting. It's a nice fish. I think I'm gonna, god dang, he bit down on my thumb hard. But I'm gonna throw another bait out there and hopefully we can catch the target species of flathead. Well, thanks everybody for watching today's video. We only got one fish, not a flathead, but that's not going to stop me from still targeting these fish. I want to catch a big flathead this year, so I'm going to be spending a lot of time on the riverbank at night, or in my boat if I ever get it done. It's another thing, John boat build's still coming up. I'm working on getting some parts and stuff, so that'll be here soon. And I think that's about it. Have a great day. Hope you catch some big fish. See you guys next video.